As we've seen in the previous video, to create a binary file, we simply call open and we set the mode to be, which means binary. Do not forget the buffering. To have a regular binary file, we keep it to -1 or we set a value for the buffering. The other optional values that we can set are close FD. Here the value 2 is mandatory because we are specifying a path for our file parameter, and here the function opener, which is the function myOpen that simply print a message before opening the file. If we open a file in reading mode, we get an object of type buffer reader. To read the content of the file, we can simply call read. We can also print the length of that content. We can also later print it on the console. So here is the buffer reader object, and here is the length of the file. We can print the content, but it will not be readable content. So this is the content of the butterfly.png file. Now, if we open the file in another mode, if we open the file, for example, in writing mode, here we are not going to write on our file, but we are going to create another file called butterfly2.png. We keep all the values or all the optional parameters with the same values. We change only the mode to writing mode and binary. Then we will write a content calling the method write. We will not write our previous content. We will write half of it to see what it will create for us, and then we will close our file again. So if I run the code, it opened the file. I didn't see the type, but it created this butterfly2.png. We can see since we created or since we wrote only the half of the content, it created the half of the butterfly. Now, if we want to know the type of object created, we can simply print a bin file, the file we just opened, to see its type. When we opened the file in reading mode, we got a buffered reader. When we opened it in writing mode, we had a buffered writer. What we are going to do now is to add the missing half to our image. Here we open the new file in updating mode, in appending and reading mode. Then we will print the file to see its type. And finally, we will write the missing half and close our file. We run our code. So here is the image constructed. We have a buffered random object type when we opened the file in updating mode. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.